Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a casting from Hot Wheels. It's new for 2025. It's called Little Roar. But as you can see in the images, it's based on a Mini Cooper. It's basically a off-roady or kind of modified Mini Cooper which might go into rally. I think Hot Wheels did this. It's not like they replicated any other modified Mini Cooper. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here's the Little Roar out of its packaging. First thing we'll notice that it's a raised Mini Cooper with bigger wheels. There's some really nice details on this one, like very minor details, but they look really nice. Since we're on the side, let's just talk about this. It's on this side you can see it has got a wheel layer, the plastic ones, because it was wider wheels. Tires, you might have seen a lot of different Hot Wheels. They kind of try to make it look like mud. Then there's steel plates here, kind of saving it. Window opens like half of it, and there's some luggage on the top. Don't know what it is, I can't frankly. You'll see a spoiler here. Then you got the rear windows are like kind of closed, so like there's no window, it's metal. It says many on the side. Number 2 Hot Wheels and hello. So to the front. Up front again you can see the headlamp, the auxiliary lamps, the roof and everything, but they are not detailed. Also got a big, I think it's a bigger grill here, so might be a modified engine too. Also got a vent here, and again skid plates here because it's off-road. Something if you look closely, Hot Wheels has done really nice. It kind of mimics, it's going through mud and stuff, so it's muddy, and it's the part of the windscreen is clear where the wiper moves in. So yeah, nice details by Hot Wheels there. Also got a snorkel, so it can go into water. Coming to the driver's side, looks almost identical. You can only have the fuel filler here, and obviously the snorkel. It does have both the mirrors, that's good. Back, twin exhaust. You can see where the tail lamps are, but they are not detailed. And we've got the spare wheels, 2 of them inside. Funny enough, these are mud, these are black, so it shows that it's inside still fresh, and this has gone through mud. This is how it looks from the top. So there is a jerry can. It looks like a roof top carrier, I guess. You got the white roof, and this is how it looks from the bottom. Overall, I think it's a very nice casting, especially with some minor details like on the windows on the top and windscreen. Would have loved if headlamp or tail lamps were detailed, but still I think it's a very nice casting, and if you find one, you should get it. Well, those are my thoughts. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.